Mutongoria wa bururi Dr. William Ruto muthenya wa umuthi ni ahingurire Kigomano Kia Pitstop Kia Pitstop kiria gigukorwo gikigeria gwetha anja ya uria bururi ugiyukireria kuumana na mutondo uria ugomeire bururi gwa kahinda ka mwaka umwe kumarira thirikari yake igirire wathani-ini.
This meeting is very important because we now know each other. Our responsibilities to transform our country and to change the lives of millions of Kenyans because we have been entrusted with the management of their affairs.
Kigomano giki gitanyite gukinyaniria cieraniro cia mutongoria wa bururi kuri muingi na gikorwo gigika mathabu ma uria thirikari ingika niguo kuhingia cieraniro icio.
This retreat is therefore positioned as a unique governance tool within the overarching accountability framework that the administration has established to continually take stock of the progress we are making in honoring our social contract with the people of Kenya.
Ruto ugite ati hatikoretwo he hahuthu gutwarithia bururi na mbere na kuria anyitetwo mbaru ni munini wake Rigathi Gachagua uria ucokeria akenya ngatho ni undu wa kumaheka mweke ga kumatongoria na ugite ati ni meharirie wega niguo gutongoria akenya na njira iria yagireire.
Very important decisions. Sometimes not very easy, sometimes not very pleasant, very difficult decisions to be able to take the country forward.
Let me again thank you for the privilege to serve, that you found us out of 50 million people worthy enough to assist you in the management of the affairs of this country. It's been 1 year since you identified us as a team to back you up as you fulfill your mandate with the people of Kenya.
Oho Ruto oriti atongoria metekire kunyitanira niguo gutungatira bururi na njira iria ithiranite.
But the underlying principle here is we must always, and I want to tell you as members of this team, we must always make the right decision, however difficult it may be. Failure of each of us is the failure of our team.
Mwene-ini wake Mase wa Njau na uria ni mwandiki wa Kigomano kiu ugite ati no nginyanagia thirikari thondeke maundu mega na njira iria yagireire niguo bururi uhote guthie na mbere.
Fix any issues that need to be fixed so that we can get back to work and achieve our objectives.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV ni Ng'endo wa Njogu.
Pray for our beloved president.